Hey guys, we've made some hand tightened screws recently. 8 for the screenshots that come with the size. You can adjust the size easily with it. Let me show you guys. This is our S Desert. What in our original pack is this kind of tightened screws. When you remove it, you need to use the wrench. But with this, things would be easier. As you can see, you can lose it just by simply use your hand. When you need to adjust the size, just lose it, adjust it, tighten it. Simple as that. It can use worse slingshots that come with size basically. See her. Mavic. You need just to choose the right size. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.